3:25 p.m. I just had a blue. You hear it? Maybe it'll sound up one. Okay, that blue jay specifically just flew up, landed right down here, looked up at me, and then started sounding off. There's quite a few blue jays that have been bouncing about back here. So I have been summoned as they want a handout. And that is what I'm about to do. Foxy's been running around down here as well. She just got done burying a walnut in the grass out here. But yep, we've got quite a little bit of activity out here, and because there's been a lot of activity out here today, there's not much. And so the blue jays are wanting a handout. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Can you believe this nonsense taking place here? And all I wanted to do was take some seed and peanuts out for the gang, and wow. Let the whiteout begin. Dang. Anyways, let's go ahead and take this. And I have to be careful. I got a robin right here. Oh hey, apparently we have had a flyover. Alright, so it's taking place. I'm hearing sounds of a flyover. Speaking of sounds, I've got to be rather quiet because got the moon out here. I don't want to draw any undue attention. Wow. Pertaining especially to that of the feline kind. So we are going to sneak up here. Oh, alright, hold on. This is kind of neat looking here. Rather far off, but where to go? Well, there was like a circle right there, a circle of something. Huh. Seems like the stuff is moving kind of rapidly. Okay, we got okay, here we go. Actually, I was starting to hear what I was thinking was sounds of aircraft, basically right at 2 p.m. But I'm not sure of what I am recording here. I cannot see. So anyways, wow. Okay, so yeah. Okay, here comes one in this direction here now. And here I was just stating how crazy it was not to have been seeing or hearing anything, which basically was the case throughout this morning and the beginning of this afternoon. He's putting on just a a little thin stream, but looks like it's way up there. Alright, yeah, I've got blue jays here that are waiting, as well as I think a cardinal right here. Uh-huh. Okay. So, well, and I don't even want to go up there because of the cardinal. But, well, if they want some treats, I gotta do what I gotta do. So, well, let's go ahead and we'll keep this rolling. Well, okay, cardinal's seen me moving. I'll go ahead and take this route. Once again, trying to maintain some semblance of stealth as I come out here. Because yeah, my cats are out here and they are observing me. Man, these chickens have really torn it up out here and cleaned it up. Okay. We're getting that. Alright. I think it was starting to overflow. The heck, we'll go ahead, scatter all this out. Yeah, I am being observed, but it's warm enough day out here to where the cats aren't going to be all that mobile. Oh, here comes the chickens, doggone it, and they have seen me. Oh, well, I guess we better turn around and run away. Son of a gun. And I don't have any of their stuff on hand right now. Okay, so yeah. Okay, come on now. Oh yeah, we've got this fresh one flying across right here. And it is getting very milkified back here. Dang. That's just gnarly, dude. This is... Wow. Alright. Yeah, we got some more curly cues kicking off up here. Okay, I think I have gotten out of the chickens viewing. So, okay, and we've already got sparrows that's going in, visiting the tree here. Yeah, there we go. Got this bowl in my hand, it's kind of throwing off my aiming. Okay, I think we shall go ahead and, oh yeah, okay. There we are, right up over my head. Yeah. Hear the tree frogs? Humidity must be going up. Gee, I wonder why. Oh, no, no, oh, come on guys, come on, no, come on, let's go, come on, see, come on, let's go, get up here, come on, come on buddy, let's go, oh, come on, let's get up here, Let's go. There you go. Okay. Stay up here. That's what I was afraid of. Wow, this one's really got the drip edge to it. Come on. I was kind of looking back, paying attention to what's going on. Yeah, this got quite the drip edge back here. But I better head on before these chickens decide to follow me any further. Oh, I guess while we're out here, we can go ahead and so we've got this trail up here. We can follow it right on down as it comes right alongside of, oh, whoop, right there, right alongside the moon. We dim this down and enhance it just a little bit more. Yeah, doesn't quite look right, does it? No, sure doesn't. Okay, I better head in once again. These chickens decide to wander down here to me. And oh, what do we got? We got some. Yeah, look at this. We got some weird looking colorations kicking off back here. Some very dirty clouds or what? Well, we'll have to pick up my container and we'll have to wander over here and examine this just a little more. Oh, sorry. All over the place while I'm walking. We are facing east. Direction of the moon. And where are you at, buddy? Probably won't even show up. I am not seeing them. I can hear them. That flew off in a different direction. Alright, so once again, we're going to boot, scoot, and boogie. Head on back up to the balcony. So at 3:43 p.m., it is 81 degrees in my apartment currently. Oh crap, I think I blew it. Okay, I don't know what I've got now and what I don't. I don't know, okay, never mind. I'm going to end this and we'll resume later. It appears as though the chickens have gotten spooked up by possibly the cats. I don't know. There wasn't much down here at the base of the tree. But yeah, I think they got spooked off. But yeah, trying to record an airplane that flew over, and I don't know if I really screwed this up or not, this recording. So I'm going to go ahead and end it. And I guess we'll continue a bit later.